Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. It'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a 65-watt charging block. Now this is going to be perfect because a lot of devices don't come with these adapters anymore, and it's going to be able to charge multiple items at once. So whether you're just wanting to get more organized around the house, cut down on wire clutter, or maybe you need something for when you travel, this is going to get you nice and covered. So this was sent over by a company called MUNBYN. It's going to come in this little box right here. Now this is their NexGo 65-watt charger, and it's really nice and compact. So first off, you're going to get a user manual. It's going to tell you all about it. What's nice about this, one thing to take a look at if you care, depending on what you're plugging into the various ports, it's going to distribute the power. This is going to tell you basically what those combos are because there's a ton of combos to list them all. Now you also going to get a type C to C charging cable. This is 3.3 feet long. So it's a nice long cable that you can utilize to charge all your devices. You can choose to bring this or not. And then you're going to have the device itself. So as you can see, super compact, nice and small. So if you are throwing this in your luggage, your backpack, your purse, your school bag, it's not going to take up a lot of space, and the back plug does collapse. So you don't have to worry about it getting snagged on anything or bent or anything like that. It's nice and easy to bring with you. Now, give you an idea of the size is 1.5 inches by 1.25 inches by 2.25 inches approximately. That is the nice and size. It's got a nice casing around it. Looks really classy. Then on the front here, that is where the ports are. So you're going to notice you're going to have two Type C ports. Each of those ports can do a maximum of 65 watts. And then you have a Type A port that can do a maximum of 22.5 watts. Now, like I said, this thing does distribute the power accordingly. It has the GaN III chip in it. And what that chip is basically doing is it's making sure that all your things are getting the optimal charging that they need for the device. So for example, if you have three things plugged in, they're not all charging at that max, it's going to distribute the power out because the max output is 65 watts on this guy. Now it does also have the PD 3.0 and the QC 4.0 protocols. Basically, what does that mean? That is your fast charging protocols that a lot of your devices, whether it's Android or Apple, have. So basically making sure your devices are charging up nice and fast. It also has 5 layers of protection, such as the overheating, the overcurrent, overcharging, all that fun stuff that you want to make sure your devices stay nice and safe when you are charging them up. So, but overall, like I said, it's just a little compact, nice little charging brick here. Cuts down on the clutter. You don't have to bring multiple bricks. You can just bring one because you can charge 3 things on it at the same time. So if you're looking for a nice brick adapter, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.